现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello there, welcome back to Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Peng.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine. And this month we're teaching you the phrase late, 迟到。
慢多。
慢多。你知道早上起床啊，要上班啊，那是最痛苦的时刻，
赖床。
会赖床。So a lot of times when we try to wake up in the morning and we want to stay in bed, it causes us to be late, or at least we're rushing to work and we're afraid to be late to work. So let's hear a conversation between two friends about this. Okay, 我们来听这样的对话。
我就是睡過房的。
上班有慢多冇？
冇，最尾還係有輔導。
他是有感到。
最尾還係有輔導，輔導有趕到了。
輔導 OK 就趕上了就對了。Okay, that means this friend actually got to work in time, but of course was rushing to work. Let's break down the lines one by one right here. Okay, so the first sentence, 我今天早上睡過頭了。This morning I overslept.
我就是睡過房的。
睡過房的。
睡過房的就是睡過頭了。
過頭了 ，OK，
過頭了，
這整句就是睡過頭了這樣子。
對
，OK，所以才是睡嘛，
睡，
對不對 ？OK，所以 is actually the sleep and 過房 it means
就是過頭了
overslept it. Okay, so this morning I overslept. Were you late to work? 你上班有遲到嗎？
上班。
上班。
有慢到嗎？
有慢到嗎？有慢到嗎？就是有遲到嗎 ？Okay, that's the phrase we're teaching you all month, right? Were you late to work? 上班。
上班。
上班 Okay, that means work, going to work, right? And the answer is 沒有，最後還是有趕上。No, I actually made it at the end.
冇。最尾還係有輔導。
最尾還係有輔導，有輔導就是有趕上了。那最尾就是
最後啊，最尾。
最尾 that means finally
最尾了，就是最後了。
終於呢還是有趕上。
對
Okay, 最尾 finally I made it on time. All right, we're learning some new phrases right here, so I think we should reteach them again, such as 睡過頭了 overslept,
睡過房的
and then to go to work 上班 that means going to work, 有趕上 made it,
有輔導
and finally, how about the word finally? 最後再來教最後
最尾
there you go. Let's listen to the conversation again.
我就是睡過房的
上班有慢多冇？
冇，最尾還係有輔導
And this month we're teaching the phrase late 遲到
慢多
hoping that you're not going to be late to anything, and that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家
安子 say 張來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.